So as you can see, the bars I put here to support the stand are partially blocking the leaf flow, but considering that it mulched up this amount of leaves in a 95-gallon can, and it's pretty windy, these leaves are wet. The mower chute was clear, so if this was bigger, I think things would go quicker, but I'm not in a hurry. I got high lift mulching blades on the wheelie here, and I'm going to move it so I can work on this pile here. But this part of the yard is basically done. Went from this to this, and like I said, I'm still working the kinks out. But overall, as opposed to buying a leaf back for a couple of grand, now this is working just fine. I'm in no hurry. This is probably another hour maybe. I'll stop screwing around. But I'm just taking my time. The day is got nice weather for today, and this is my only project for today. So if you hate raking, this comes in handy, because those backyards with narrow gates where I can't get my Z-turn back there to mulch them up, this is the next best thing besides push mowing and raking. So this here may seem a little tedious, but it's working out pretty good. So I'll keep you guys informed.